Alright, I got the EPSON ET-15000, and I got the 502. You got the 502 ink that we're gonna fill up here. So we lifted the lid. There's a little kickstand there to hold the printer up, and this lifts up, and we lift that up there, and opening this guy. So we unscrew the lid, then we put it in, and it begins to drain and fill up the tank. And you'll notice the level here. And you can see on this readout that it says when filling the ink, make sure not to squeeze the ink bottle. Ink may splash. Also make sure you match the color of the bottle to the ink level, to the ink tank. So that's what we're doing right now, filling it up. And it's a large capacity tank for the black. We've had this printer for a few years. This is the first time we're replacing the black ink. Alright, I think it's done. Alright, then we put this cover back on. Okay, so it's on. Close that lid. Now we can put the kickstand back. Okay, so now this is fill ink, proceed. This is for resetting the ink. Fill the ink in a tank to the upper line, which it is. Select the colors you refilled. Black. Okay, proceed. Is the ink filled up to the upper line? Yes. Ink level has been set. Alright, there you go. So now it should automatically continue to print. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. That's the EPSON printer.